Hey guys, welcome back, and today we were gonna start our journey, of course, because it's my first video, you know that, and we wanna start a video here. I'm gonna name it The Journey Started. Okay, and survival, create world. Okay, stay there first. It's a little bit rainy here, guys. A little bit rainy, something like that. What's happened here? Oh, we spawned in a swamp. How do we spawn in a swamp? Was it like this? A little bit okay, something like that. Parkour master. You wanna find out some sheep? Ow, that hurt. Sheep. There you go, and we got the, what's this called? Raw mutton. And I know, you all guys already know the 0.15.0 MCPE, you know, added redstone, something like that thing. Just need to kill this sheep first. And these gray sheep we need to kill. So you want to start in getting our logs, thing like that. Okay, hold this thing. Okay, so and then we're gonna build our first house and then sleep maybe today, I think. Yeah, yes, I did. It's gonna need to get that and these, and then we should build our house. I'm kind of like thinking for a underground house. Do we need to do that? No, probably no. Because I'm stupid. If we have piston, that will not be stupid. So we'll not build our house. Where should I build our house? Maybe here. Here? Yes. No. Here. Gonna build a house here. So. Build this first. And make a thing like this. Kind of like thing. And place those wooden planks. And pick up those dirt. Where'd my dirt go? Oh, I lost my dirt. Okay. Build that there, and this will be the garden. And maybe this is the farm. Here. Farm. Okay. And then we should be building our house here. I'm gonna like build my house first. 1, 2, 3. Nope, not there. 1, 2. Oh, okay. We need a lot of logs. And we wanna build that and these. And place its thing there. And that's supposed to be there. And the bed. And the axe. So we're gonna place our... Okay. Here. Bed there. Actually, it's kind of like a bad idea. I'm placing my beds maybe under here. Nope, that would be weird. So there, we place our beds. So let's go and get some of those logs. This thing. What should we do? Maybe build our house thing? Yeah, we should build our house. Oh, I'm so stupid. I think we should build our door with birch. Yep, birch will do. And okay, I'm stuck. I'll let the tree leave if he could. Could we? Oh, yeah, we can. So here we are. This, there. I guess we can park around this. Oh yeah, we did it. We should place this here. 3. Ah! Oh no. Bad. This is bad. Do you know Dan TDM, guys? I think all of you know him already, because I'm a big fan of him. And I want to be a YouTuber too. So I'm making the video. And I'm just 11 years old. And I live in here in Philippines. Yep. I live in Philippines. And PewDiePie. All of you know PewDiePie, I guess. Oh, you know it? Oh, that's great. And you know, guys, my best friend. I call him my best friend, but he's not really my best friend. Because I hate him so much. He always knows what to do, and he's telling me, no, not like that, you're supposed to do this. No, you should buy that, not this. He's telling that when we're going the mall thing. And he was so annoying. And I'm being annoyed by him. Yeah, so being annoyed. Yeah, if you met him, guys, don't kind of like play with him, because he'll gonna rule your life. Like, he'll gonna tell what to do. He'll gonna tell this and that. He'll gonna ruin your life. You're kind of like, his name is Theron, and he's kind of like, I don't like, his mom is blind, and if if his mom is telling something, he don't listen. He's so stupid as that. Okay, back to Minecraft. We're near building our house, guys. We just need to grab some of those cobblestone, and we're done. Well, actually, nothing. Where did we saw the cobblestone? Was it here? No? Or here? I don't really know. I guess it's here. Probably. Oh, apple. Apple, come here. Oh, juicy apples. Look at this. Don't mind those people screaming. They're just so being stupid. Just shouting there anywhere. Just hello, blah blah blah, like that. Saying, just don't mind them. I guess they don't have a nice life. That's why they're screaming. Like, hey, do this and do that, blah blah blah, like that. Oh, that apple is so good. It's yummy. Well, I guess we don't lose our house. Two, one, 2, 1. I'm kind of like grabbing all of them for our house and the roof, kind of like thing. I have a pet dog, and he's injured before. I think this morning he jumped in the road, and then good thing he's not hit by a vehicle, because that would be so sad. And my dog is just like can't walk properly, like thing like that. And then if my pet dog, it's not really kind of like that, but he's cute. Oh my god, it's night. Is that the horse I see? Oh, it's just a flower. Let me make it here. Could you not bother me anymore? Oh, stupid battery. That is just the window. I'm gonna need glass, of course. There we go. Just the roof is a problem. And then I will go. No, not yet. Why? What's the problem? You stupid cobblestone. What am I supposed to do again? What am I supposed to do? Chest. There you go. Just one chest? So stupid. Here's our chest. Then we're gonna place all of those things. 6 of those, 7, 3, and that. Okay. Well, we'll see first. Well, I guess that's for today, guys, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.